Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Good Sunday afternoon to you. It's June 1st. I'm just chilling in this heat. Looks like it's about to thunderstorm a little bit. Anyways, I got a Singer Touch and Sew model number 600E that I wanted to demonstrate for you today. I know nothing about sewing, so I'm just plugging it in and turning it on. So here we go. It's got this lamp that turns on. See? And then I got it plugged in. So this is the foot pedal right here. You just push that. And away it goes. And it's got all these settings here that I know nothing about. It's in really good shape. This, I think it's called a bobbin. The felt is a little bit worn up here, but it seems to be all there. I'm sure you can just take a piece of like styrofoam and stick it in there and make it work, or not styrofoam, but foamy material. The case is in good shape. It's a little scuffed up here and there, but and the handle up here is taped together, but it's solid. So if you like these old school sewing machines, here you go. Variable speed, and that's that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, YouTube, peace out. See ya.